Have you ever stopped to think about how much technology has advanced? Not so long ago, having a gadget that worked well was a luxury. TVs had finicky dials, radios were a struggle to tune in, and computers demanded constant babysitting. If you wanted to set up a new piece of equipment, you needed patience and persistence. Endless cords and cables turned setup into a puzzle, and thick instruction manuals were filled with technical jargon. Just imagine trying to set up a stereo system or a VCR. Those machines were notorious for their cryptic instructions and complicated connections. Even something as simple as plugging in a lamp could be confusing. Back then, technology wasn't exactly user-friendly. As the years rolled by, technology kept leaping forward, but it wasn't making life simpler for everyone. Smartphones, sleek and powerful, promised to change everything. They were supposed to make our lives easier, but many people still found them tricky to navigate. Apps were constantly changing, updates were frequent, and privacy settings were hard to decipher. For many, these high-tech devices felt more like a chore than a convenience. The gap between what technology could do and how people actually used it was huge. The promise of modern living seemed to be just out of reach for those who were tech savvy. But something was stirring, a quiet revolution that would change everything. The real breakthrough came with the rise of smartphones and digital assistants like Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. All of a sudden, technology didn't need an expert to tame it. These assistants made the complex world of technology more approachable, turning a powerful smartphone into a helpful companion. Speaking to your phone instead of typing became the norm. And complex tasks like booking flights or ordering food were simplified with just a few voice commands. The secret was natural language processing, which made technology more intuitive. No more deciphering menus or remembering cryptic codes. The devices themselves seemed to learn our habits, offering suggestions and adapting to our needs. We started using our phones differently. The screen, once the primary focus, now took a back seat to voice commands and notifications. Our relationship with technology shifted from struggling to keep up to living life our way. Power lay in our hands, or should I say ears. The evolution from struggling to use technology to shaping it to our needs was remarkable. But what makes a device truly smart? Imagine a home where the lights dim automatically as evening falls, where the thermostat adjusts to your preferences, and where appliances chat with each other to save energy. That's the magic of smart devices. They talk to each other, share info, and even learn our habits. It's like having a helpful friend that takes care of things without us even realizing it. Smart devices are everywhere. From the alarm clock that wakes you gently to the coffee maker that brews your favorite blend while you sleep. They're not just pretty and efficient. They're designed to make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Let me ask you something. What if your phone could remember your favorite restaurant and order your usual meal for you with just a voice command? Or what if your lights could turn off automatically when you leave a room and turn on again the moment you step back in? Welcome to the world of smart tech. It's all about making life easier, more fun, and a whole lot more convenient. The cool thing about smart devices is that they understand what you want before you even know yourself. Say you're coming home after a long trip. Instead of fumbling with keys, unlocking your door with a fingerprint scan or a quick voice command. Once inside, you might want some tunes. So you just ask your speaker to play your favorite music, and bam, your living room comes alive with your favorite beats. Imagine your speaker spreading the music throughout your home so you can enjoy it anywhere. And if you're feeling crafty, you can even have your lights dance to the rhythm. Want to catch up on the game? Ask your speaker to play sports updates, and you'll get all the latest scores and news right in your kitchen while you cook. Speaking of cooking, let's say you whipping up a storm in the kitchen and you need to check the oven. With smart tech, you can use your phone's camera to spy on your dishes without even leaving the counter. Just imagine being able to see and talk to your family from anywhere in the world. With smart devices, you can do just that. Need to fix something in the attic or check on your plants? Use your phone to see any room in your house from any location. It's like having eyes everywhere, but not really, because your phone doesn't have eyes. It's more like having a high-tech superpower. Now here's something to look forward to. Imagine your washing machine telling you it's done through your phone. No more guessing games, just perfect laundry every time. And here's another kicker. If there's a power outage while your dinner's cooking, your smart devices can take over. They'll keep cooking and let you know when it's ready. Just think about it. While you're sipping your wine and waiting for dinner, your lights might dim and your speakers could put on some mellow tunes, all thanks to your smart devices keeping an eye on things. And if you're feeling a bit chilly, your smart heater will kick in to keep you cozy. And let's not forget about security. Smart devices have got you covered there too. It can send you alerts if someone sneaks in or tries to play some tricks, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. Now let's talk about comfort. Who wants to wrestle with old-school thermostats? Not me. With smart tech, you can control your AC with a few taps on your phone. No more freezing or sweating. You can even set it to turn on before you come home, so you can walk into a perfectly cooled house. And if you're a plant parent, don't worry. Smart watering systems have your green babies covered. They'll make sure your plants get just the right amount of water so you can relax knowing they're in good hands. You know what's awesome? Smart devices can team up and make your life even easier. Imagine your phone telling your speakers to play your favorite song or your lights turning on automatically when your door opens. It's like having a well-trained assistant that anticipates your every need. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius to figure out how to use smart devices. Many of them are super easy to set up, even for folks who aren't the most tech-savvy. Some only need a plug and a tap on your phone and you're good to go. Others connect to your Wi-Fi network with a few simple steps. And once they're up and running, they're as easy to use as your favorite pair of jeans. No need to read complicated manuals or fiddle around with tons of settings. With most smart devices, you can start enjoying the benefits right away. If you're just starting out on your smart tech journey, consider picking up a smart speaker. It's a great first step. Smart speakers can play your favorite songs, tell you the weather, and help you control your other smart devices. Plus, you can ask them questions, and they'll find the answers for you. Another fantastic option is a smart bulb. These bulbs can change colors and brightness, setting the mood for any occasion. They're easy to install and can be controlled with your phone or even your voice. And if you want to take it up a notch, try a smart plug. These plugs let you control your lamps and other electronics with ease. You can schedule your lights to turn on and off at certain times or control them remotely. The coolest thing about smart devices is that they're always getting better. With regular software updates, they learn from your habits and become even more helpful over time. Imagine a world where technology works when you need it, adapts to your lifestyle, and makes your life easier. That's the world of smart devices. It's not just about having the latest gadgets. It's about living smarter.